Ingredient. A substance that is part of a mixture, especially in cooking or in the composition of a product. Ingredient is commonly used in cooking to refer to the various foods and substances combined to make a dish. It is also used in other contexts, such as cosmetics or chemical products, to refer to the components that make up the final product. The main ingredient in this cake is flour. She checked the ingredients on the package to see if it contained nuts. Fresh ingredients are essential for a good salad. The secret ingredient in the recipe was a special blend of spices. They use only natural ingredients in their skincare products.